Hi, I just wanted to take a few minutes and answer the individual questions about the Dropbox case. The first question is, Dropbox is a late mover in a crowded space. What will set them apart from their rivals? I think there are two things. The first off is they do offer so much storage free. Not all of their rivals do that, so it will set them apart from a few. But the big thing that sets them apart is how easy it is to use. You don't have to have any skill or background to do it. You just get on your computer and do it once it's set up. The next question is, what problems does Dropbox solve? And I think that is illustrated great from the owner, Houston, Drew Houston, who was going on a 4-hour bus ride, and he was going to take some work with him, and he forgot his flash drive at home. And so he wasn't able to work on it. And instead, he decided to start working on Dropbox, which is a file sharing program that allows you to get to your personal files from any device, anywhere. That's what it is. So what problem does it solve? If you forget your information, you can get to it from any computer, anywhere. So who has this problem? I think anybody who uses computers, especially multiple computers or devices, all over the world have this problem. So it's got a huge target market. The great thing about this is it can be used from any skill level. You can have a beginner who doesn't know a whole lot about computers using it, or you can have an expert who knows everything about computers using it. There's no, and anybody in between can use it just because it's so easy to use. Let's see. The next question is, what does Dropbox do? So it gives you a storage space that you can share your files, save your files to, and then you can log in at any computer and get your files. It makes it fast and easy to get any computers anywhere. It's easier than downloading attachments and emailing them to yourself. It's easier than any of that. You just get your files right when you need them. The next question is, how do they do it? Well, they use a storage space. They pay for a storage space that's secure, and they give you a secure login, and you can just get to your files from that. I don't understand technology that much, so I don't know exactly how it works, but I know that's what happens. So the next question is, what early hypothesis turned out to be wrong? What does it mean to pivot? So I think one early hypothesis that definitely went wrong was their marketing strategy. They thought that it would bring in more people, and it brought in a few, but it just didn't bring in as much as they had hoped. So they had a pivotal moment, and they decided, we're going to try something new. And so they went through and started having people do word-of-mouth advertising. They would offer their current customers more storage space if they referred a customer and they signed up. So it got the word of mouth going. Word of mouth is a much cheaper advertising method than anything else, so it really helped them do that. So that really turned their customer base around, and they were able to get a much bigger customer base at that point. So, well, that's it for the individual questions.